I just want to update you guys about my face.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Joby May.
Hello guys, we are in the car now and we are going to Raimat. And I just want to update you guys about my face. My face is okay already. Yes! Okay na siya guys. Thank God at okay na. And thank you all so much guys for asking about my face. I felt love from you guys. Thank you all so much. Yes, so after few days or after some days applying the cream that the doctor gave me, and then my face became better until okay already. Yes, as you all can see guys. Yes. And Lakota is there behind. Okay guys, so okay na talaga siya. Okay na ang aking face. So maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. And thank God, okay na.
Thank you so much guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and turn on also guys the notification bell so you won't miss any video of me. Hope to see you again guys with a brand new video. Bye!